The bull season is confirmed. Trump has won. Crypto is pumping really hard these few days. If you're just starting now, you are not late. You can still make a lot of money and keep it all, or make a lot of money and lose it all, depending on the coin you buy, when you buy, and when you sell. I'll be revealing it all in this video. I can't actually reveal everything because it will end up making this video too long. I like to keep my videos short so you guys can watch it and get on with whatever you are doing. Now, you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to reveal a coin that has not even launched, that when it eventually launches might just be your biggest play in this bull season. One coin can make you 100, a 200, or a 300x that will just make this bull season worth it for you. So watch to the end of this video. I will tell you where the money is going to this season and the coins I have bought and the ones I'm looking at to buy. And of course, it is not financial advice. You should do further research on this coin before buying. Now, I know you guys just want me to go straight to the coin list, but I won't start that way. You need to know some things first so you don't lose your money. The question I need to answer first is, why is this the bull season? Why will it pump much harder than you expect? Where will it get to and how long will it last? There are three reasons why this is the bull season. First is, it is a season. Crypto follows a cycle. There are three seasons in the crypto cycle. We have the bull season, the bear season, and the consolidation season. If you look at the three previous bull seasons, 2013, 2017, and 2021, you will notice the same pattern. The bull season usually starts at about 6 months after the Bitcoin halving. There's usually a little pre-run before the halving, then the real run starts after the halving. Even in the real run, we usually have like the pre-run and a consolidation and then the major run. Now, some persons even consider the first pre-run to be the start of the bull season. I gave my first call on Solana last year at $19. This is when some people believe is the start of the bull season. Solana now is at over $200. Did you buy then? Is it now too late to buy? I want to give you answers to these questions. For the previous bull season, there's usually an event that kickstarts it, and this is the second reason I'm going to discuss. The second reason for this bull season is Trump winning. Trump winning is the kick we have been waiting for. In my last video, I talked about why this is important, but there's even more to it. The US is the home of innovation and invention, but the current administration has practically tied the hands of innovators when it comes to blockchain and Web3. The SEC has given no clarity on crypto regulations, refused to work with the industry leaders, and even served well notice to major players like Coinbase and Kraken, who have been trying to follow their regulations that are not even clear. And Trump has come out to openly declare his support for crypto, saying he will fire the SEC chair on his first day of office and bring regulatory clarity to crypto. He even said Bitcoin should be mined in the US. He owns crypto, has launched crypto projects and even NFT projects. And here is the big statement. He said Bitcoin is going to be part of the US balance sheet. This is huge. The US already holds the largest gold reserve in the world, more than the next 4 countries combined. Trump wants to do the same with Bitcoin. Think about it. If the US adopts Bitcoin on this level, other countries' government will want to beat the US to this, and they will go ahead to also adopt Bitcoin and have it in their balance sheets. And this will astronomically push up the price of Bitcoin. The third reason is simple. There is a lot of cash sitting around right now. Investors are waiting to deploy this cash into investments. And with the anticipation that Fed is going to cut interest rate further, this cash are going to a lot of investment, and crypto is going to take a share of this. Money is going to flow into crypto from all these investors. So how will this money flow into crypto? You need to understand this if you're going to be profitable in this season. There are 3 categories of crypto assets. We have the low risk, low reward, medium risk, medium reward, and high risk, high reward. Assets in the low risk, low reward are established assets with potential to do 2 to 5x in this bull season. Example is Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin almost guarantees that you will not lose money. But if you buy Bitcoin now, say with $1,000 and Bitcoin goes to $180,000, you'll have made an additional $1,000. That is a 2x. This is not bad, but it's not a type of gain we seek in crypto, especially in the bull season. Now, if you have $1 million and you double it in the bull season by putting your money in Bitcoin, it makes a lot of sense. $1 million profit is a lot of money, but not everybody has $1 million to invest. What I'm simply saying is that low risk, low reward category are for those with huge capital. But then again, there's actually a way to multiply your gain in this category by 3 to 6x. So instead of a $1,000 profit, you're going to be making $3,000 to $11,000 profit from your low risk, low reward assets. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you in on that. Now, the second category is the medium risk, medium reward. And coins here are coins with higher risks, but also higher reward. We're looking at 5x to 20x potential. Think of coins like PET and Bit10 or even Link. These coins are usually over $1 billion in market cap or thereabout. And the next category is the high risk, high reward coins. These are where the big, massive profits are made. We're talking about 50x to 100x potential. A lot of meme coins fall into this category, but here is the catch. Finding a winner in this category is like looking for a needle in a haystack. You can buy 100 of this coin and only 1 or 2 do 100x while the rest go to 0. As a matter of fact, you can buy 100 coins in this category and all of them go to 0. But with experience and proper research, you can increase your odds to 1 in 10 or even 1 in 20. If you have $1 million, you don't put it in this category, you put in just very little money in this category. Now, the last thing you need to know before we get to the coin list is how money is going to flow into crypto. Money will flow first into low risk coin like Bitcoin. It's going to go up, profit will be taken, it comes down, and this profit taken will be put into medium risk coin, pumps it, profit is also taken, it comes down, and this profit is now taken to put into high risk, high reward coins to massively pump it. Then profit is taken, and most of these investors just put their money in real world assets and take some of it back into the low risk, low reward assets, and the cycle continues again. Most newbies and inexperienced investors mess this up because they buy at the top of each stage. They see Bitcoin pump, they buy then, and they are used as exit liquidity. They lose some money. Then they see the medium risk coin pumping, they go ahead to buy at the top, and it is dumped on them again. And finally, they see the high risk coin pumping real hard, and again they buy at the top and eventually lose all their money. The key to come out top in this season is to position yourself early before these pumps start happening. Crypto market is still under $3 trillion, but during the bull season we could see it shoot up to $8 trillion to $15 trillion market cap, especially with Trump in power and policies and regulations starting to take shape. As a matter of fact, some persons are speculating that Bitcoin alone could see a $10 trillion market cap. What I'm simply saying is that we have not even started seeing the major pumps. The major pumps are going to come next year. So what you have been waiting for? Here are some coins you should be looking at. But don't just blindly follow me, make your own research. So this is coin market cap. The truth is that most coins in the top 100 are going to pump. I consider most coins in the top 10 to the top 20 to be the low risk, low reward coins. So you can start putting your money there. Bitcoin will definitely surpass $120,000 in this bull season, even go much further. Ethereum will see the 4,000 and even 6,000. Solana is projected to see a market cap of 400 billion to 800 billion. BNB is one coin that has continued to sustain itself since its launch. Then for repo, I actually sold on my repo at the beginning of the year because I just felt that it can't do anything. But with new data coming in now, we can see repo gain some traction, especially with cross-border payment and all that. Then Cardano is one coin that didn't make money in the last bull season, but with one of the team members saying that he's going to be working with Trump administration we are seeing some pump in Cardano. And I tell you guys, Cardano people actually have some money and we can see it really pump. Now, other coins you should consider, AVAX is a coin that needs to be in your portfolio. Now, beside this, I like to look at coins based on the narrative that will make waves in this season. Meme coins are definitely making waves this post season. AI is another category that is making wave. Deepin, yeah, real world asset. But let's start with the memes. If I click on memes here, the meme category here on this coin market cap, which coin are you looking on? Let's start with Doge first. Doge is going to move because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk came into crypto just tweeting Doge, and that made Doge a powerful coin. I think this actually went ahead to start the bullishness of meme coins. So Doge is one thing. I consider Doge like the low risk, low reward coins in this category of meme coins. Then Dog with Heart is new. It's actually its first bull season, and we see a lot of potential with Dog with Heart. Peanuts, I don't actually own Peanuts. Peanuts came about this pump after its listing on Binance. Now, I don't know if it's going to pump more or not, but you can actually go ahead and research this. I've not made my research on this. Popcat is one coin I have in my portfolio. Breath is the leading coin in the base ecosystem. You should definitely add it to your portfolio. All the coins that have actually taken a dip in these few days that I feel is a buying opportunity is SPX 6900. The market cap got to over $800 million, but right now it's taking a 27% dump in the past 7 days. I feel that this is going to shake out some persons and it's still going to have a major pump this season. So the SPS is one coin that I feel is giving you a buying opportunity. These ones have gone. We are waiting for retracement. This is giving a buying opportunity. The same thing with Giga Chart is a coin that is giving a buying opportunity among meme coins. Now, there are other lower meme coins which I'm not going to discuss in this video. Now, AI is another category. So if you go to AI here, let's look at some projects that I think that is a must buy in this AI narrative. I see again Near as a medium risk coin in this category. Then BitTensor, if you're looking to AI, BitTensor is a must hold. The same thing with Render. Then EOS and Akash, you have to hold these coins because these are going to be the big movers in this category. Another coin I'm looking at is Echelon Prime. The market cap is just $313 million. The same with Dextra Network. This is just below $300 million. These are coins that can really pump. Then again, man, they can actually go down. That's why I said when you look at these things, you still have to go and make your own research because these coins can actually go to zero. But I see them that if AI becomes a narrative that is going to lead in this season, then these coins are positioned to make massive gain. You just look at Spectral and PAL and finally 0x0. Now there's still a bunch of them. Honestly, some coins in this category that I'm not even mentioning here can just go ahead and pump really high. But the AI is a narrative you should look into. If you combine AI and meme coins, you now have the AI memes category. If this narrative actually kicks off, so many coins in this narrative will actually start kicking off. How did Goat come about? Goat is actually an AI Twitter account. So an AI Twitter account started tweeting about Goat continuously, and that ended up giving Goat momentum. So I'm looking forward to studying more coins in this AI narrative where a Twitter, maybe YouTube, Twitter account, just pick a coin and hammering some promotions on it. We can see more coins doing what Goat did with this. Then ACT is the other coin that got listed on Binance and did massive growth. Also keep your eye on Luna by Virtuals. Is taking a dip by meme buying opportunity. Now, if you're playing the meme coin narrative, this post by Morad is something you should look at. He said you have two ways to survive if you're playing the meme coin narrative. One is to play the new meme launch hyper gambling game. This is what I said initially, that you can buy 100 meme coins and all of them go to zero, or maybe one does a 100x. That is one narrative you can play. The second one is to find a meme that have hardcore cult of believers and go all in on it. Now, this is how you reduce your odds from 1 in 100 to 1 in 20 or 1 in 10. So the chances of your success here are actually much higher. If you look at this Gateio is actually one coin that I'm looking at. It's a meme coin. It seems to have this also hardcore code, but I have exposure to this coin now. And I think that these statements shouldn't be applied to only meme coins. They can be applied across other crypto categories. For example, if you look at gaming, right, there are crypto coins in this category that I expect to do massively well. One of them is ApeCoin. I'm looking at ApeCoin. I'm looking at Beam. Beam has been getting a lot of traction of leads. Then Superverse, everybody is talking about this, and Superverse has actually been flying. I'm looking to see some pullback here to go in on Superverse. Again, guys, most coins in this season in the top categories or in the top of each of these categories will likely do well this bull season. Look at the previous bull season, they always do so. It is important, however, that you keep your eye on Twitter, follow this YouTube channel, follow me on X, join our Telegram group so that you know where the narrative is shifting. There might be new narratives when Trump eventually takes office and policies are implemented that you need to follow. And when do you know when we are eventually at the top? You need to pay attention to be able to know this, to start taking profit. Mind you, some people are going to come out of this bull season losing everything. Some people are going to come out winners in this bull season. Which one are you? Are you ready to put in the work? Now, there are two more things I want you to pay attention to before I end this video. One is that we now have a join button. So consider joining me as my friend for less than $1 a month. You're going to get priority comment responses, badges, and emoji. This will also help me bring more hands on deck for exclusive coin calls for you to make the most out of this bull season. Because guys, you need to come out top by the end of this bull season. You can, however, also receive free future signals by joining my Telegram group. I'll leave the link in the comment section. Now, the coin I said I'm going to reveal at the end of this is SUPRA. I've made this video. I don't know when the SUPRA token will be launched, but I have looked at the app. I've looked at what they are building. It is superb. When this coin launches, it is a coin you should consider adding to your portfolio because it might just be the big winner of this bull season. Now, the second thing is what I mentioned earlier. How can you make 3 to 6 times profit on Bitcoin, even if Bitcoin does only 2x this bull season? To know that, just click here to watch that video.